So let's imagine we're in a situation where we need more canvas space. Pretend we're factoring a problem, and before we can finish, we're out of space. Well, instead of erasing everything, we can use what's called infinite canvas to give us more room. Find the hand tool down in the main toolbar, and then using one finger or with a click and drag, just touch and move the canvas, and you'll see I get more space here. Now we can switch back to our pen tool. We'll just finish factoring this here really quickly. And now if I go back to infinite canvas, I can use one finger to scroll up and down, or two fingers and do that pinch in motion, and I can get everything back on one page. Let's look at another example where I have a document and I want to zoom in because it's kind of hard to read. I can again use infinite canvas, but this time two fingers going apart from each other. This is the zoom in motion. Now I can switch to my highlighter. We'll highlight some of these action verbs here. And again, to go down, go back to infinite canvas, use one finger, and I can scroll, switch back to the highlighter, and then when I'm finished, if I want to zoom everything out, just that two finger pinch together will zoom out, and notice that everything sticks or stays where it's supposed to be. So if you ever need more room on your canvas instead of making a new page, consider using infinite canvas.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.